Is your laptop feeling sluggish? Learn how to give it a speed boost with my step-by-step tutorials on how to speed up your laptop. From simple tweaks to performance boosting software, I'll guide you through the process of reviving your laptop speed and efficiency. Say goodbye to loading screen and hello to smoother experience. Number 1. Uninstall unnecessary software. Your computer comes with preloaded with several applications that many people want to use but that can eat up system resources. You can usually identify these when you see a pop-up prompt you to update a program you have never used before. Remove them from your computer and free up disk space. So the number one option you need to do here, just click on the Windows icon, then click on the settings. Once you open the settings, now here you can see in the apps there's a lot of applications are available. You can just uninstall if they are not important for you. So the first thing you can do over here, just go back into the settings and then click on the privacy. Uncheck all these options because some of the services are just using your internet and you feel the ping issues. So if you are a gamer, it's important to turn off these options. Now scroll down a bit on the left side and you will see here the background apps. Click on it and by default it's turned on. You need to turn it off. After closing this, now simply you need to go again on the Windows icon and this time you need to search here the control panel. Once you open the control panel, now simply go into the uninstall a program. Now some programs will not appear in the applications on the settings, but in the control panel you will see all the applications and services. Now here you can uninstall all the unnecessary programs. Number 2. Limit the programs at the startup. You can also determine which applications run when your PC boot up. Along with the same lines, Windows 10 has an updated task manager that make it easier to determine what you want to running in the background and what you can start on your own. Number 3. Add more RAM to your PC. In terms of memory usage, Windows 10 uses less RAM than preview version, but increasing RAM memory has been a tried and true way to speed up your device for a year. If you have a convertible or detachable laptop, you will likely need to settle for what came in the box. Some business and gaming laptops make it possible to add RAM, but it can still be tricky. It's much easier to add more RAM to desktop computers and it's much cheaper too. Anyone with a basic idea of the interior of a desktop tower is capable of installing more RAM in or so. Number 4. Use disk cleanup and defragment. Every computer has many files and programs on its hard drive that have not been used in a while or unnecessary. Disk cleanup allow you to find which applications and files can be deleted from your computer, freeing up drive space for the program you will use. It is incredibly easy to access disk cleanup. But in SSD case, you cannot defragment because it's work totally different way. Number 5. Consider a startup SSD. When you want better performance, a startup solid state drive, which means SSD, can go a long way toward taking some of the pressure off the processor when your computer boot up. If you tend to run a number of applications at one time or use photos and videos editing software, then a startup drive can go a long way toward making these programs run smoother and load faster. Number 6. Clear Windows OS cache for getting better performance. If you are experiencing issues loading applications or simply dealing with slow computer performance, then it's usually just takes some minor adjustment to make it run more smoother and efficiently. Make sure to double check to see if there is malware, spyware or a virus causing lags or slow speed. After that, you can look into what else might be causing an issue so you can speed up, maintain and check your computer performance to enjoy an overall better experience. Thank you for tuning in. Your support means the world to me. If you are encountering any issues or having questions, feel free to reach out on Discord. I'm dedicated to helping fellow gamers and PC users resolving problems and enhance their experiences. Don't forget to drop your feedback in the comment section below. Your insights are valuable in shaping even better content for you. Stay connected for more helpful content. Peace out.